Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This orchid I'm gonna share with you is from Mount Me Orchids. So this is my first time to order from them, and I'm just gonna share with you what I ordered. It looks like I have 4 plants, so I'm just gonna take it out so to cut the time of opening and everything, which I'm just gonna start to open them and talk about it. So it's finally opened. What I can say is Mount Me Orchids really pack, like wrap their orchids really well. I mean, there's no media out of place, and they put a lot of tape so the each individually wrapped orchid is not moving in the inside the box. So they tape it inside the box itself. So we've been unwrapping it really, because there's a lot of tape, but it is actually good. And this limp here is just because it's been inside the wrap for a while. It will bounce back. And the only thing when it's already opened, that when you didn't witness our opening, it's like an opening a present, and you miss out the oohs and ahs and the wow and oh my, expression while we opened it. Yeah. So anyway, this one, this is a beautiful color, or Tolumnia. It's an orange one, and yeah, I can't even remember how much I paid for it, but I'll put it in the screen and the picture of it. And so it looks healthy. Look at that, and the roots. And yeah, even my daughter helped me unwrap it because we have to go somewhere. So I said, oh, let me just unwrap this because I don't want these plants to stay long in the package. So this one, yeah, I didn't expect it. It's in bud. Very pretty. They bend this one so it stays small in the box. But this one, I think this is a pretty one. Let's see. So, oh, this is the reason why I ordered from them. I was looking for Sanderia, I think, Black Star, Pacific Red Star. Yeah, that's the reason why I found their site. So, yeah, this is something you guys, to look out for, and check out. I mean, their nursery, their online site. So Mount Me Orchids. And I wouldn't share with you this video if they have a, not so good plants, but they are good. This is a very good specimen. So this too looks like an oncidium. I end up buying a lot of oncidium. This one I just found. So when you shop, you look for one thing and you found some other stuff too. So this is oncidium, uh, Carpenterara, Sydney Smith, Green Monkey. It is an AM award from American Orchid Society. So it's a healthy. Look at that. It's a lot of bulbs in there. See? And it's heavy. And the paper was wet because they make sure this is wet during transport. So, on Oncidium, they like to be a little bit moist. And then the last one. So, oh, I'm gonna put out the picture, okay? Yeah. And this one too, even it's in bud, but yeah. And this one here is also an oncidium, and it's also a lot of bulbs in there. It's just crowding each other. And this one is another oncidium, Wilsonara, Pacific passage handsome. Well, when you see the word handsome, it's gotta be handsome. So, yeah. So they are pretty plants. They are even without the blooms. They look so healthy to me. So this is something you can check out their site, and yeah, and look for those beautiful orchids. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you on my next video. Bye now.